am out and about and I am having a blast. I have went shopping and not nothing big or anything like that. I have been to the Dollar Tree. I've been grocery shopping. I went and got some scents for my house.
Dressed before work's off my list. What's that?
All right, guys, when y'all see this Bob Burger shirt, no more procrastinating. I am finna get some of the things done that I have started like 3 days ago, okay? But I told y'all I'd be messing up if I rush. So I'm not rushing today. I'm finna go over here and tackle maybe this window first. Now I finally got those ugly birds off my window and I sort of hung up my curtain the way I want it hung. I know I want this curtain over here, guys, but up here I have like a tension rod and I got it all the way to the top, but this makes this ugly blind not look so ugly. So I'm gonna have to raise that up a little more. I think that's a clever way to hang curtains up to your window. Okay, guys, in a different video, I told y'all what I did to my window ledge, and that's why I gotta, correct it. Now, I am going around this whole house correcting little things that I have tried to do, and I have decided to take my time and do this stuff right and not rush. Now, what I'm trying to get up now is adhesive from that Dollar Tree wallpaper that they have there, and I'm scraping the ledge and I'm sanding it, but some of my paint is coming up, so I'm filing that down. I need to paint the ledge in my window over here because some of the paint was like missing. Now I'm going to tell you right now, this is the perfect time for me to get a lot of repairs done around the house because everybody is gone. And I don't have to worry about putting up paint signs, wet paint signs, or don't touch this or don't touch that. Everybody is gone and I can just sit up here and take my time and repair and replace and clean and do everything that I want to do. I told you guys, when y'all see this Bob Burger shirt and these gray jogging pants, I am about to do some stuff to this house and I am about to have a ball playing in my house. There is so much that I have to show you in this video, guys, but also I got a little bonus that I'm going to show you at the end of the video that I think you're going to like. Okay, guys, so yesterday I went on and I spackled my windowsill, and this sounds watery. I spackled my windowsill and I prepped it and everything, and today I just got through sanding it, right? So what I am going to do now is just go over it with some paint, because guys, I was trying to make my window pretty, and for the most part it wasn't all messed up, but if it looks sort of anywhere near tacky, or if I'm thinking about I could have did it better, then 9 times out of 10 I could. So I am not going to settle or try to make myself like something that ain't up to par. So I got me a little Dollar Tree. I got me a little Dollar Tree paint set. And I'm gonna paint my windowsill. I messed it up, so I'm gonna fix it up. So the paint is shook up. I don't need a lot. It's just a windowsill. Just gonna use that much for now. Okay, guys, well, I told you that I had already prepped the surface yesterday, And where the paint had came up on my windowsill, I went on and filled that in with some spackle and everything like that and sanded that down as well. But guys, this turned out so good. Do you know I ended up painting the whole inner box of that window? Not the glass, but just the whole surrounding inner box, just so everything would look nice and neat. Also, since I was painting, white, using white paint today, I decided to make a list of everything that needs to be painted white. So I painted a lot of things white today, like baseboards, small walls, and things of that nature. And everything is just looking brand new again.
Ooh, I need some more paint.
Now, this banister here, like 2 days ago, I had scraped off all of the paint. I made a video about it, and I also made it where it is tighter. So right now, since I have a list of everything that I need to paint white, I have to take this banister off so I will not mess up my wall trying to get the paintbrush or the roller, close to the wall. Then I end up having to paint that over. So I said, you know what? Do not rush. Take your time and do it right. Do it right the first time so you don't have to do it again. So I am taking this off, guys, with my little drill. I love this little drill. I am taking it off with my little drill, and I am going to find a flat surface to paint this on.
I got this drill from Ross. I got this drill from Ross. And believe it or not, guys, it's rechargeable. You can change out the heads here. It has a light on it, and it'll let you know when it's charged. And it's a plug up drill. And I got this from Ross for $8.99. I'm loving this. So guys, y'all see me take my banister off, and the old Regina would have tried to paint that banister where it was. But if I would have left it on, I would have ended up hitting the wall with the paint, and it would have just had mismatched paint on there. I have done that before, so I know. So like I said, if I don't have the time to take my time and do it right, then I'm not gonna do it. So now I am gonna find a place downstairs where I can lay this at and then paint this banister. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm gonna tell you right now. Miss Regina loves to paint. It's nothing like putting a fresh coat of paint on something and watching your area become new. Woo! Man, I'm telling you, I love to paint. And my husband loved how I paint too because I am very neat with my lines and everything. Now guys, I have painted over this railing, and I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it completely dry. And I also painted over this railing right here. And it's drying. It was a short one, so I went on and really took my time and made sure I wasn't gonna hit no other areas. So I'm gonna let this dry right here, and then I'm gonna go back upstairs and go over my windowsill because I want to go over one more. I want to go over that one more time, and that's looking good. That's looking good. Okay, while I'm waiting for that to dry, and that to dry, and that to dry, and that to dry, because I done went around the house and did baseboards, half walls, banisters, window sills. I love that new look. So while I'm waiting for everything to dry, let me show y'all what I'm doing. Got my little cocktail here. We finna get some old school in. Mm. Yes, sir. Home alone and loving it. I'm telling y'all right now, I have paint fever. I have paint fever. Now I done set up here and I painted my banister. I painted my banister back white like I told y'all I was gonna do. But guess what? I went around the house and everything that needed touching up that was white, I went on and touched it up. So the banister is back white. All of the banisters are back new and white. So now I am just going to put it back. Hopefully that is the part that was up there. We'll soon see. I get so much done, guys. I'm telling you, I've been getting so much done. I think this is it. Guys, when my family is gone, you know, doing what they want to do, man, I be jamming in this house. I be having so much fun. I'm telling you guys, I be having a ball in this house. And I made it that way. If I want to do spa day, I got everything for spa day. this is how it goes. There we go. There we go. And I'm going to tell y'all something else. Do you know that every day I can bring y'all something? I can bring y'all a video every day because I be on the move every day. If I'm not shopping for myself or this house, I am fixing something, or going somewhere. But guys, to get this off, to get, you know how you make a list and you can mark things off your list? I'm telling you right now, I can mark this off my list. I have so many things that I want to do. And every time I get something done, it feels so good. Especially if you didn't make yourself settle. A lot of times we'll make ourselves settle. Guys, I was moving so good today, I was able to wash and groom my dog. He downstairs smelling and looking fabulous. Fabulous. But I can honestly tell you, let me get y'all a little closer. But I can honestly tell you, this is the part of the day that I really don't like. Because now it's time to, put everything back that I tore up and, and stuff like that, So, but today it ain't bad. Guys, my window is back looking fabulous. Remember I told you, so guys, I have eaten. I have worked so hard around this house, but y'all know I like to give y'all a little bonus, right? I got a bonus for y'all. I almost wasn't gonna tell y'all this because every time I tell y'all something, y'all never leave nothing for me. But here's the bonus. I went to the Dollar Tree today, and guys, I got this. Can y'all see that? It is Air All Bombshell. The top is gonna look like this. It's gonna look like that on the inside. It smells so pretty, guys. I usually don't mess with Dollar Tree scents because they really don't last long. But this right here, I don't know if it's gonna last long. But this is what it looked like, but it smells so pretty on the inside. Go to the Dollar Tree and get you some of this. They have different ones up there, but these are the ones that I really, really like. And these are bombshells. So guys, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that notification, subscribe, and, like button, And I'm going to catch you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just get